In this video, we are going to learn how to delete the record from existing table. To delete the record from existing table is very simple. Let us see how we can do it. In order to delete record, we first need the details of the table, for which I am typing the query select star from EMP, which is in a table which is in our database. Select star from EMP, and this table is in our database. I just run this query and I get the details of the table. I get this detail, that is there are near about 12 rows with following details, and I want to delete the record number 9, Saroj Jain, which is working in sales department of age 42, gender male, working in Bhopal city. How can I do it? In order to delete this record, I will execute delete statement. And to execute delete statement, I will write first delete, then delete is a keyword I write, followed by the table name from which I am going to delete the data. That is, it is from EMP, the name of table, followed by where clause, and I want to delete the record number 9, that is EID is 9. So I will give the condition EID equal to 9 and semicolon and execute this. So in this way I can delete the record. So I just see whether the data is deleted or not. Select star from EMP and execute this, and our record is deleted. 9 number is not appearing in the table. So in order to delete any record, I have to first type keyword delete from the name of the table, followed by where condition and where clause, and then condition. In this way we can delete the record from the table. I hope you can understand that how we can delete the record from the table. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you.